Hey, this is a quick demo of how we can integrate a Buzzy application with something like Zapier, which can then do all sorts of cool stuff. For this particular example, it's going to be just pretty geeky. I'm going to show you. I went into our template catalog. I chose the support ticket app. I created it. Over here, I just click use template, and that created me a copy of an application which is got two different interfaces. One, there's an interface over here for the end user to be able to create new tickets. And then there's also an admin mode, which is like a full support dashboard where a team of people could be assigning and using tickets and all that sort of stuff, so that you'd see. So again, I'll just switch back to the end user mode. When a new ticket is created, let's say when you hit submit over here, that's where we want the rule to fire. So the first step is you need to come into the, I'll just close this over here. So you're going to come to the Buzzy workspace, you're going to see all your data tables. You want to find the data table for that particular component, which is tickets. You're going to go to properties. Now, if you look under fields over here, you can see all the data fields that are captured that represent the columns in that table, the fields. And then you can come in and you can add a rule. So you're going to do something like when a row is created, make a JSON request, and you're going to paste your webhook URL in here. And let's say you might do a post. If it's got any authentication information, you can do that, or any header information. And this is where you're going to type in your body. Now, I just already created this, so again, we're doing the post to that webhook, and we're passing a JSON object which has got status as the first field, and we just hard coded it to create it, and then subject, and that's getting the value out of the subject field that was submitted, or the ticket ID is the ID of it, and the ticket issue might be the issue field. So these map back to the fields over here, and those are going to be sent over to Zapier. So Zapier is, the Zap over here is pretty simple. So the first is a catch hook, which is going to get that information, and then it's going to insert it in the Google Sheet. So that's pretty much it. So pretty simple. Again, these were just some tests that I ran before with it. So every time I created a support ticket, again, this was just using test data, which is why it's repeated, but then it would add a row to the sheet. So again, that could be used for lots of different things. It could be used for making requests to external systems, sending emails, or whatever it is. Thanks for watching.